Hi guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. My name is Arpit Saxena, and in this video, I wanted to share something with you guys that got me really curious. But before we dive into the details, can I please request you to pause this video for 30 seconds, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press that bell icon to receive notification because this is a new YouTube channel that I have created, and I'm really committed to keep bringing such information to you guys. So if you can please subscribe and share these videos with your friends as well to increase the reach of my videos, I would really appreciate that. You might have heard in the news already, Sensex and Nifty, which are India's top stock market indexes, are touching their all-time high. And I wanted to see how Sensex specifically has been moving for the last 5 years, because there have been a lot of changes in Indian economy and in fact the global economy in last 5 years. We had a pandemic to deal with, and it had a major impact on financial markets throughout the globe, right? So I went on to create this video so I can share this information with you guys as well. So 5 years ago, in the month of July 2018, Sensex monthly closing was at 37,600 level, and for almost 14 months the numbers kept on oscillating in that range. October 2019 saw an increase of approximately 6%, which increased till 8.5% by the month of December 2019, and the market was taking a good shape. But with the news of coronavirus in the month of Feb 2020, market started moving bearish and tanked by almost 30%, with its biggest one-day fall ever on 12th of March, wiping out crores of rupees from investor wealth. Although the pandemic was still upon us and the whole world was adjusting as per the new normal, Indian stock markets saw an uprise right from the next month itself, with a lot of interest from retail investors like you and me. And since then, Sensex and the Indian stock market has not looked back. There has been 88% growth in Sensex numbers since the crash of 2020. And this shows the dynamic and resilient nature of the stock market. Wow, that is some journey. To put things into perspective, 10 lakh rupees invested in the month of April 2020 will be approximately 18 lakhs today. Isn't that crazy? Why this is so important is because nifty and Sensex, in a way, are indicative to India's economic health as well. They act as a barometer to India's economic health, right? I'm sure you will agree with me. And it really shows the dynamic nature of the Indian stock market and the positive investor confidence. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please share this video with your friends and family as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Please see, this is not an investment advice, and I am just stating the facts that are in front of us today.